So what did you think? You liked my video? Really? Really? Thanks. Here comes another front end loader. Once again, here comes the front end loader. We're watching the excavator fill up the dump truck. We have a couple more dump trucks. We have one around the corner there. We also have another one right up here, I think. I don't know though if we have another one or not. But I know there's at least one around the corner and then the one getting filled up. Now I don't know if we're bringing out dirt today or not to pack down again, but we are watching everything happening today because it is going to be mighty exciting to watch. Yeah. Hey.
Hey, Jeffrey.
Why is there water on the cement?
Oh, it's just because you took it from the groundwater.
Hey, why is there?
Around the block for you.
Why is there?
Corey told me to get it.
Why is there water in the trench?
Coming out of the storm pipe across.
Is that good?
Oh, it's a pain in the butt.
Is that okay or no?
It's okay, yeah.
Like, is it okay I keep that in video then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Wowzers. Where's he going? We got the front end loader down here. I don't know what the front end loader is doing down here, but it is down here doing something to do with its job. I just don't know what, or else I'd tell you. Like I say, we are doing a bit more of loading up dump trucks, and I think he was just shaking his bucket out. Sure looks like that anyway. But yeah, right now we are watching everything going on. Right now we're just filling up the dump truck. I don't know what Doug is stirring up over there. I think he's mixing up some cement for the trench. We're gonna cut what? We're gonna cut what? What are we cutting?
Filter cloth.
Claw? What is it? What is it?
Filter cloth.
Oh. Dump cloth. Cool.
What'd you call it?
Dumb cloth.
Dumb cloth. Here it is.
When can we use the saw?
No more today.
Come on! Wowzers, guys, wowzers! Looks like the hole is doing pretty good right here, right now. He's gonna take that pipe away and put it in the manhole. Take the pipe away and put it in the manhole. Take that pipe in the manhole. And that excavator, I don't know where it's going, but I know this one's better to put this pipe in the hole. I thought we were putting the packer in, but we're not. The bulldozer's bulldozing away down the site. But yeah, we're watching everything go on at the site. We're trying to clean up for the day a bit here and there. Cleaning up everywhere. Right now we're just, like I said, putting this in the hole. But I think we're gonna stay in the shade a bit because then we can still film this. slowly putting it into the manhole. And once he puts that in, he should be good to go. Watching the Packers go as but right now we are just watching everything happen at the job site. Right now we are, like I said, watching impact down all the dirt. Watching a bit of everything on the job site. Watching a bit of everything on the job site. Camera, I put you through quite the beating. So I hope I get enough subscribers soon that I can pay for a new camera eventually, because I hope I get enough subscribers I can pay for a new camera eventually, because this one's got quite the beating on it.